In this video, I'm going to share how to get leads from YouTube. Now, I've personally generated thousands of leads on YouTube over the last 5 years. And in this video, I'm going to reveal some very simple key secrets so you can go ahead and post simple videos and generate leads on autopilot. But before I do that, let's go ahead and roll the intro. In this video, I'm going to reveal some powerful secrets, but if you do want to go further with YouTube marketing, be sure you go to the link under this video and get access to my step-by-step training where I go even more in depth. On my journey, I tried a lot of different things to generate leads online. I tried Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Now, they all work, but a lot of the ways to market are very active, meaning you have to show up every single day in your business. When it comes to Facebook, you have to post every single day typically if you want to get momentum. With Twitter, it's even more often. Your tweet pushes down every hour or so you're constantly posting. It's a lot of work. But with YouTube, once you plant the seed of a video, you post a video, that video will be up there forever. I still have videos that I posted 5 years ago that are generating me leads and sales. So this is incredibly powerful when it comes to you and your business. So the first step is you need to actually create a YouTube channel. So if you see right here, I found this channel. This is all about health and fitness, right? So the very first step is you want to create a channel on YouTube around a specific topic or niche. Now this one is health and fitness. So you can see this person is constantly sharing videos that have to do with this specific niche. What you want to realize is the riches are in the niches. A lot of people I see that are doing YouTube incorrectly are posting random videos. One day they're posting a video about, dogs. The next day they're posting a video about losing weight, and your audience is confused. What you want to do is you want to build subscribers, you want to build viewers, and the way you do that is through consistently solving problems of your niche. Okay, so whatever niche you're in, if you already have a business, whatever niche you're in, you want to create a channel and typically name it something, or you can name it your name, okay, if you want to do a personal brand, but you want to make it relevant around your niche. You can see right here that, in my channel, for example, I teach people affiliate marketing and online internet marketing, right? So every single video I'm doing has to do with that. So people that follow me, and I've built on this one channel, right around 88,000 subscribers, people that follow me know that I'm going to be posting typically affiliate marketing videos. So again, people are not confused. So that's the first step. You want to create a channel and you want to make it around a specific niche. Now, once you do that, you want to post videos that people are actually looking for. The second problem most people have is rather than just posting random videos, they're making videos on topics that no one is even searching for. So understand this, YouTube is the second largest search engine, second to Google, right? And Google owns YouTube. So YouTube is a search engine. So when people go to YouTube and they go to the very top of this search bar and they start typing, they're looking to solve problems. Now, some people go to YouTube for entertainment, but we're interested in actually providing value and education in our videos. So one way you can really find topics of your videos, again, you don't just want to do random videos, is you can literally go to the top and you can start typing a few words that have to do with your niche. So let's say your niche is in health and fitness. I can do how to lose, and you can see right here, how to lose belly fat fast, how to lose weight fast. YouTube is sharing with us keywords that actual people are searching. The reason they're showing this is because it's very common searches from people. So what you want to typically do is take one of these keywords and you want to make that the title of your video. Okay, so again, how to lose, and you can do anything, how to make money, okay, from, and you can see all these different keywords show up. And you can do it for anything, how to trade Forex for beginners, how to trade Forex on phone. So this is going to give you the topics. Now you want to put this title in the title of your video. You want to put it in the tags. You want to put it in the description. You basically want to tell YouTube, hey, this is what this video is about, right? This is about this specific topic. Because again, you don't just want to be posting random videos. Now you may think, okay, well, what do I say in the video, right? What if I don't know that topic or I don't know how to help people? It's very, very simple. So let's use the health and fitness example. Let's say you're in the health and fitness niche, you're promoting a product in that niche. You've created a channel that has to do with health and fitness, okay, possibly like this one. Now we want to find a keyword, okay? So I could do, how to lose weight, okay, without exercise. Let's say that's the keyword I want to target. Well, what you can do is you can literally go to Google, okay, and I searched a different one, but I could do how to lose weight without exercise, right? That's actually a keyword. I can search that. I can literally find an article, okay, like this one. I can open up this article and then I can literally just read over it, maybe take 5 of the tips in that article, and then I can basically do a video sharing 5 tips to lose weight without exercise. So you're basically finding articles and you're just making that in video form. So again, you've created the channel that's very niche specific. You're actually creating videos on topics people are searching. You're titling your videos those topics so they start to show up in YouTube. And then in the video, you're giving value. Okay, you want to actually teach people valuable information that pertains to that topic of the video. And then the last thing when it comes to this specific video that I want to share with you is you want to always give a call to action in your videos. You always want to tell people, go to the link under the video. Now, you want to give people a compelling reason. So if you're in the health and fitness niche, maybe you're promoting a product that teaches people how to lose 5 pounds in 10 days. So at the end of your video, if you teach people how to lose weight without exercise, you can say, hey, obviously I can't teach everything in this video. If you want to learn how to lose 5 pounds in 10 days, be sure you go to the link below and check that out. And that's it, right? So you're giving people a reason to go to the link. And when they go to the link under your video, okay, you want to actually put the link underneath your video. You can see this is one of my videos. I have my link right here. Okay, so you always want to put your link under the video. When people go to that link, you've successfully generated a lead, right? And it's really that simple. Now, obviously, there's way more detail. There's how to actually rank. What are the factors on ranking? How to create compelling thumbnails very easily, how to get other people to create your videos, or how to even create videos without showing your face. Again, if you want to learn all that and go more in depth, be sure to go to the link under this video. I have a training where I walk you through very, very step-by-step over the shoulder. But until next time, my friend, I really hope you enjoyed learning some of these key secrets to how to get leads from YouTube. If you like this video, like the video. Also subscribe to the bell icon. I'm going to be posting more videos just like this. And until next time, thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.